What is going on, you lot? This is Monish. You're watching CineShades, and today I'll tell you what is in my camera bag in 2018. Let's do this. So guys, I've been getting a lot of requests on Instagram asking me what camera gear I use and what is in my camera bag. So this is the video just for you guys, and I will start this video with the camera bag itself. So this is the GoPro Pro Tactic 450 AW. It is an amazing camera bag. It is very solid and it's not too big and not too small, so you can carry a lot of equipments in it, and it is not like a very big trekking bag. So good work, GoPro. And I always wanted a bag which has its main zipper on the side that's facing my back. So this bag has its main zipper on its back, and this keeps you safe from all the thieves out there when you're traveling. So this is what the camera bag looks like. It is huge, guys. It has a lot of space to fit a lot of equipment. So first we will start with the camera. So the camera body that I use is the Canon 200D. I can show you here because I don't have two cameras and the 200D is recording this video. And also the 200D has a 24mm f2.8 lens mounted on it. It's a very good and a sharp lens, and also has macro capabilities, so that's awesome. Now let's start with this compartment with the other lenses in the bag. So this is the Canon 10 to 18mm lens. This is an ultra wide lens for the crop frame cameras. So this is a good lens, not so good in low light, but outdoors it performs like a beast. Third lens that I have is the B-roll king for the crop frame cameras, and this is the Canon 50mm or the Nifty 50. This lens has an aperture of f1.8 and it gives that shallow depth of field which is perfect for B-rolls. So this compartment right here is where I fit my Rode Video Mic Pro Plus. So this microphone is one of the best YouTuber microphones you can find in the market right now. Now we'll come to this small compartment which has my camera charger and its cable, and also a quick release plate and the lens covers. Now in this compartment I have the power brick of the DJI Mavic Air with a few cables to charge the remote. This compartment has this little adapter to charge up to 4 Mavic Air batteries together, so that's cool. Now in this pouch is the Mavic Air's remote, and DJI did a very clever thing by including the joysticks which are detachable and fit inside this area of the remote. So ultimately you don't have to worry that the joystick will break while traveling. Now this big compartment is dedicated to the drone stuff. So this box is for extra propellers of the DJI Mavic Air, just in case I crash my drone, and I hope it doesn't happen. And then I have this pouch that came with this bag, and this fits in the 3 DJI Mavic Air's batteries that came with the Fly More combo. And below this pouch is the DJI Mavic Air in its case. The footprint of this drone is so small that you can carry it in your camera bag. Can you imagine? Wow, amazing move, DJI. So if you are a traveler, I would highly suggest, if you're going for a drone, buy the Mavic Air because it's very small and it's very easy to travel with. Now this compartment here has a power bank. This is the MI 20000 mAh power bank. Works really well, has 2 USB ports to charge my GoPro and my mobile simultaneously, so that's pretty good. Speaking of GoPro, we have this case that I ordered from Amazon. This is the Amazon Basics GoPro case. It's the small sized one. So here is the GoPro Hero 6, and I have one extra battery of the GoPro Hero 6. Now the next thing we have is a Gorilla Pod. So it's just a flexible small tripod that I use instead of a main tripod. I hate to carry a bigger tripod with me. The next, I'll show you these 3 compartments on the back. So this is a main zipper that has my ND filter in it. I use the Tiffin ND filter. It's the 77mm ND filter. It has great quality glass, and ND filters are a must when you're shooting videos outdoor. Next thing in this zipper is a memory card case. So I have all my memory cards in this case. This case is waterproof and shockproof, so keeps my memory card safe, because losing a memory card is like losing money. So keep that in mind. The thing we have in this zipper is a Transcend memory card reader. Now in this pouch I have a simple microfiber cloth that I use to clean my lenses. Also, whenever I'm shooting, I carry this case. So this case comes with the Zhiyun Crane 2. Yes, that's the gimbal. I own the Zhiyun Crane 2. It is an amazing gimbal. It produces smooth footages, and that's what it's meant to do. Now whenever I'm traveling, I just carry these few extra stuff and I just put them in my backpack. So that's it for the video, guys. Hope you liked the video. Do hit that subscribe button and that bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload a video. Also comment down below if you have any suggestions on how should I organize my bag in a better way. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.